In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to confirm dates in the HoneyBook calendar. This process is essential for organizing your schedule and ensuring that all your appointments are efficient and error-free. Whether you're planning a busy week or just need to pinpoint specific dates for your clients, this step-by-step guide will help you streamline your scheduling process. So let's dive right in and see how you can effectively manage your calendar using HoneyBook. First, you'll want to navigate to the calendar section within HoneyBook. Begin by heading over to the Tools menu. From there, click on Calendar. You should see various options to manage your events and tasks, but our primary focus today will be on adding new events. So go ahead and click on the plus add event option. This will open up a new window where you can input all the necessary details about the event you're scheduling. Now that you're in the event creation window, it's time to fill in the particulars of your upcoming appointment. Start by entering the client's name. This is where you'll identify who the event is for, which is crucial for keeping all your appointments organized and avoiding mix-ups. Next, you'll want to specify the date of the event. Make sure you input the correct date to prevent any scheduling conflicts or confusion later on. Finally, in the notes section, you can enter additional information such as confirmed session. These notes are excellent for adding any pertinent details about the appointment that both you and your client might need to recall later. After you've filled out all the necessary fields, it's time to save your work. By hitting the save button, you're not only recording the event in your calendar, but also creating a clear and confirmed slot. This can be particularly helpful even if you haven't yet formalized the agreement with a contract. A confirmed event in HoneyBook serves as a placeholder and ensures that the date is set aside for the specified client, allowing both you and your client to proceed with any preparatory activities in anticipation of the event. Remember, this method is a simple yet powerful way to manage your schedule, especially during busy periods. It helps to ensure that all your appointments are accounted for, reducing the likelihood of double booking and keeping your calendar in precise order. As you continue to use these features, you'll find yourself becoming more fluent and efficient with tools that HoneyBook provides. There you have it. By following these straightforward steps, you'll be on your way to mastering date confirmations in the HoneyBook calendar. I hope this guide has been helpful, and don't hesitate to integrate these strategies into your everyday scheduling practices. Thank you for tuning in, and happy scheduling!